We'll guide you through how to fix YouTube PiP not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. PiP or picture-in-picture mode not working can be really annoying, as you're then unable to go and watch YouTube outside of the app. So we've got some different fixes you can try. To get started, come out of YouTube and open up your settings on your phone. Then you can scroll down, find the option for general, and scroll down again and find picture-in-picture. Make sure this is switched on like so. Then what you can do is return to YouTube and go and see if it's now working. If it still isn't, you want to go to the bottom right and press U. If you're outside of the US, you are going to go need YouTube Premium in order to go and use this feature. If you are in the US, you shouldn't need it, but it may not work on some videos. So if you don't have YouTube Premium, go and get it and go and see if that solves the problem. If you already have Premium or once you have it, you need to come and press the settings button in the top right, scroll down and find playback and switch on picture-in-picture. Now it should be working. I look forward to help you again in the future.